the bird. This movement is gonna warm up your back, your legs, your hips in an awesome way. Inhale, bring your hands up, overhead. Exhale, drop your shoulder blades down your back. Keep extending the fingertips up towards the sky. Knees are bent, feet are about shoulder width apart. Inhale, stretch your fingertips just a little bit higher, stretching through the rib cage. And exhale, drop the shoulder blades down your back. One more inhale. And on your exhale, hinge back into the hips, slowly fold forward, keeping those arms extended until your back is parallel to the ground. Hold this position. Weight back in your heels. Breathe. Keeping the shoulder blades dropped down your back. Inhaling, extending, stretching through the fingertips, feeling that stretch from the base of your spine all the way up through your fingertips. And on your exhale, fold forward. Let your arms come down to the ground. Let your spine round. Place your feet on the earth, your hands on the earth rather. All four of your limbs on the earth, feeling any energies that are ungrounded and dissipating, any worry, anxiety, fear, feeling the stability of the earth here. If you can't quite reach the ground with your hands, just face your palms towards the earth and see and feel like you're plugging into a charger. New energy rising into your body. Now on your next inhale, feel that energy rising up through your legs. Lift your spine up towards the sky, straightening the spine one vertebrae at a time. Inhaling, and then drawing the arms out to either side of you. Exhale, baby back bend. Leaning back, opening the front of the body. Squeeze the heels together to activate the glutes. Inhale into the belly. Exhale, lean back slightly, even more, opening up the chest. Leaning back from the upper back. Shuffle some coming together. Squeeze the heels together, protect the lower back. Inhale. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, breathe in deep. Exhale, back bend. One more time, inhale. And on your next exhale, fold forward again. Rounding back to the earth. Relaxing your spine, feeling space open up between each vertebrae. Your head hanging heavy. Nod your head like you're saying yes. Shake your head like you're saying no. Then inhale, rise up. Back to center. Do this with the pace of your own breathing once you've learned from this video. Proceed to the next movement.